Alright guys, coming back out here to ride. Haven't made a video in over a week now. Not too happy about that really. Gotta watch where I'm going. Anyway, as you can see, I've been riding around a lot. Just haven't made a video. So I don't really have any excuses to say, oh, I didn't make a video because of this. No, I've been out here riding and all that. But anyway, so I decided to make a video today. And I saw some dirt bikes yesterday and actually earlier today. They were over this way, but I'm obviously not going to go over there and ask them, hey, you want to come out here and ride? No. Anyway, this is pure nastiness. Alright, go pull up to here and get turned back around. Because, yeah, I'm not obviously going to go over there. Whoa. Oopsie. Alright. That mud is just like super thick, and of course all the mud right around this area. I'll show you an area up here that's pretty nasty too. Pretty fun though. There's awesome areas to go up and down, and sort of like this. Then you come up here, then you splash water everywhere and get wet. And go up here. And yeah, this is the playground right here. Awesome muddy playground, that's for sure. I bet that's nasty. Haven't even gone in there today. But yeah. Awesome place to ride around though. Especially if you have, man, you slow down and stop and then you about get stuck. It's just super sloppy and thick mud. Oh man, awesome place to go around and sling mud everywhere. So anyway, this is part of land right here. Bunch of little houses, but still obviously not very big place. I think it has about 500 people here in Lynn, Washington. So yeah, pretty small place, but it's alright. Let's go through the puddle and get wet. Whoa. I was in third gear the whole time. That wasn't a good idea, but whatever. Made it through. So yeah, I think right down there, that house with that little whatever type of shed that's not enclosed, it just has the little rainbow shape almost roof. I think those are the people that had a dirt bike. I heard them over there. And there was actually a couple dirt bike tracks that they made down here and up there obviously, but I think they rode around some yesterday. Or maybe the day before, I'm not sure. But yeah, it's a pretty awesome place to ride, that's for sure. And yeah, all the snow has melted, pretty much. It's turned into some pretty large puddles. Not very deep, but I've obviously gone through it a couple times. And yesterday, I was coming up here, like getting some speed coming up here, and that puddle was just a decent amount bigger than it was. That one right there. And I was coming this way and splashed water all in my face. It's kind of a shock and kind of woke me up, I guess. But I didn't care to get wet really, but anyway, it was my fault, of course. Just wanted to have fun. So yeah. Then the puddles down here are slowly getting smaller. And I'll show you down here at the pool again. Make sure there's nobody on the road. You can see a couple of dirt bike tracks up through there. Yeah, I can see the puddle melted and is kind of soaking in. It's not an ice skating place anymore. Nope, not at all. It's just water now. Not very deep either. There was one place over here yesterday that was really sloppy. Still looks like it is too. What was that? I don't know if that was a cat or a rabbit. I didn't really see it very well. Glanced at it like right as it went in the bush. Whatever. Oh, and when everything was still frozen, a couple weeks ago probably, there was a city truck that came up here and saw me sliding around on the big sheet of ice, and they started sliding around with me. It was hilarious. I wish I would have had my camera then, but they had to do some things down here at the pool and then go on, I guess. But kind of funny, because they were sliding around in a Chevy pickup. I think it was a 1500 or whatever, but anyway, kind of fun to watch. So yeah, not too much else. I mean, you just go up here and play around, and that's about it. Mostly. I mean, it's still fun. It's in those let come up here, but I need more places to go. No, not really. To tell you the truth, I'm probably pretty lucky to have what I have. That's for sure. So anyway, nasty, muddy areas through here, that's for sure. And this is a pretty cool area through here, because it's just all loose rock. It's kind of fun, or kind of cool too. So anyway, then there's little dirt bike paths that go everywhere. Obviously can't fit on all of them, but a lot of them I can, because they've made pretty wide trails actually. But anyway. And get wet. So yeah, this is the funnest part that I normally play around in, because there's muddy areas, there's big puddles, really bumpy because I've made tracks everywhere, and yeah, it's a fun place. So it's a fun place to play around in, that's for sure. I'd kind of like to come up here when one of the dirt bike people are up here and see what they can do. Oh, that mud's thick, like really thick. Second gear. Can't really get good roost, or whatever you want to call them. Can't fling much mud with about bald tires. So yeah, not too many other places I can ride. I mean, just the same trails back and forth, I guess. It's pretty fun though. Just zipping up and down the steep hills and playing in the mud. That's pretty much what I like to do. Of course, when you have an area like this, there's not too many other things you can do, but anyway. Maybe the guys on dirt bikes over there will be out tomorrow. Maybe they'll want to come over here. Maybe I can get some video footage of them. Unless they don't want to be videoed. Not really muddy in there, it's just deep water. Or not deep, but just water. Over here there's some muddy areas, if I'm correct. Yeah, a little bit anyway. Yeah, right through here I think was pretty cool. Yep. What about through this? Not really. Anyway, all the little holes in the hillside there, I think are from birds, if I'm correct. Steaming a lot, that's for sure. Anyway, I don't know. Still amazingly fun though, that's for sure. It's fun to come way up here and then look down and see how high up you are. Of course right here I'm not that high up, but anyway. Let's go over to this side. Probably still get wet and muddy on me. Wet and mud. Let's try something different. Or wait, well I did go up here, but for a different reason. There's not any mud up here, obviously. But you can look down on land. So that's sort of cool. Are up here on top of probably one of the highest hills. Well, over there is a little bit higher, but one of the highest you can get to easily. So yeah, that's what it looks like. Guess I'm steaming still. Anyway, pretty cool area down there, that's for sure. Here, I'll give you a little aerial view of it. Some of these hills I could probably actually come up, but I don't know if I want to try. Probably not. You can see dirt bikes have come through here like crazy. Some glass. Yeah, look at that. Wow. I think I've made a few tracks. Pails and buckets and everything, and cans. There's pieces here. I don't know. don't know what kind of can that is. It's not broken, it doesn't need to be up here. Same thing, I think that's what that is. Anyway, here's a piece of a chair. We'll go back down towards the house, I guess. And if you're wondering, we still haven't got the garage arranged. Whoa. Don't want to go too far. I don't have brakes right now. Probably need to get new brake pads sometime. I did buy a choke cable because this one's messed up. Has a split in it and it doesn't really, you can pull it, it chokes fine. When you push it back down, it separates the plastic and it doesn't take the choke off all the way, so that ain't good. So I got a new choke cable on the way. Should be here Monday or Tuesday, so it said Tuesday would be the estimated delivery, but anyway, hope you enjoyed this, guys. We'll ride up here where I get to ride. I'd like to make more, and maybe I'll start making some videos of me doing things to this four-wheeler. That'd be kind of fun. Just some other videos to get out there, I guess. So anyway, if you liked the video, guys, or enjoyed watching it, leave a like. And if you didn't enjoy it, leave a dislike and tell me in the comments why you didn't enjoy it. See you in the next one, guys.